Hello, my name is Bhupesh Pawar. This is my assignment. First, we have to allow the location. This is the assignment given by Gurukul for front-end development internship. This project is developed using React Native. First, we try to search in location. Let's search Udaipur. This is current weather of Udaipur. We are using API from Open Weather Map app website. You can see the current weather Udaipur, temperature, feels like, humidity, wind speed, sunrise and sunset, and this is 5-day forecast. Today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. You can also go to your current location if you want by clicking on this red pin. It took some time. As you can see, my current location is Bodhisadri, India. We come to our current location. The search API works after writing two characters. For example, when I write two characters, then it calls API for the possible suggestions. And again, here we are Jaipur, Rajasthan. And when we click on Jaipur, Rajasthan, we got the weather of Jaipur, light rain, temperature, and the 5-day forecast. Now I give you the tour of my code. Hello, my name is Bhupesh Pawar. This is my code or my assignment code for the internship at the Gurukul organization. I have used the 3 hooks in this React Native app. The first hook is useState. The second hook is useEffect. And the third hook is useRef. From the React, I have used these React Native components. Let's start with my code. I have used this useState code as these usestates are continuously updated in my app, or it continuously update in my UI, like data from the API, forecast data from the API, loading, error, latitude and longitude, search query, search results, search loading, and other. First, I used useEffect hook for getting the user location. In this code, I have learned about async function. Async function is a type of function which does not refreeze over code. As JavaScript run line by line, async function help us to not freeze the code and work continuously. It make our code more efficient. As we go, I also have said in await. What does await do? Await will run the code until the promise, like this promise, location to current position async not completed. If we get latitude and longitude from the user, here we are query.length to I don't want my code to do unnecessary calls, so I have decided for query.length less than 2. That means if the user have to put 2 characters in the search bar for the API call. As we go down, here we are. If there is a minor change, what is mean by minor change? The minor change should be 0.0.01. If there is like 0, if the location change just by 0.002, then the new location will be detected and it will set longitude as new late and longitude as new longitude for precise location and getting weather data. we get the weather data in the form of Kelvin. So first we convert Kelvin into Celsius, and we get data of time in the form of timestamp. So we convert timestamp into time, as you can see in the code. Here is the forecast data format. Here is the code too. Thank you.